Oh, don't you just hate it when you just quickly want to edit a video in your spare time and then this pop-up shows up that says to you that somehow you have to fix your GPU driver stuff configuration. In this video I'm going to show you how. My name is Rico Richardson. Let's start. Okay, so this is the message that I'm talking about. Review GPU configuration, and especially the last part. The first part can differ a little bit, but please review the GPU drivers and GPU configuration under preferences. Normally, you'd go to the NVIDIA GeForce Experience to update your drivers and to make sure that it works. However, when I did that, I got the following error code, 0x0003. So that didn't work either, and now I had to find a different way how to fix it, which I found, and I'm going to show you how. So be sure you go to Google and you fill in NVIDIA drivers download. When you've done that, the first link probably will be download drivers from NVIDIA. If you click that, you will be taken to this page. It's the download page of the drivers from NVIDIA, in which you can select your product type. Now in my case, on the computer that I'm filming this on and that I had the issues on, I'm using a GeForce RTX 20 series, within particular a 2060 Super. On my other computer I have a 3060 Super, so if I need the drivers for that, I need to change the 20 series into the 30 series, and then I need to find the 3060 Ti in my case. So let's put it back 2060 or 2080 or whatever video card you have. So just make sure that you pick the right series, and then I'm pretty sure that your model will show up the way it should. Select your operating system, select the download type that you want to download, and here's a very important part. You have a game ready driver, but you also have a studio driver. Now for the best performance possible with a DaVinci Resolve, you really need to download the studio driver and make sure you install that. So when you press search, this window will pop up and you can download the NVIDIA studio driver. Once you've done that, you're not quite there yet, because this is the file that will be downloaded, or at least at the time of this video. But make sure you hit the right mouse button and you select execute as an administrator. The program will boot up, just select yes. It'll ask you to specify the folder and extraction path. Just click OK and then everything will be installed. And then if all goes well, if you boot up DaVinci Resolve, it will start opening up DaVinci Resolve, and if all goes well, the prompt won't show up. And now you see that DaVinci Resolve has just started the way it should. You can select the project that you're working on, create a new project, etc. But at least you get to work on whatever you were doing. And that's it for this video. I really hope that it has helped you out, because I was very frustrated that I couldn't get it to work at first, but now I know how, so I wanted to show you as well. My name is Rico Richardson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Doei!